In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted Google Sheet. Losing a file you've worked hard on can be really stressful, but the good news is that Google makes it possible to bring most deleted sheets back, as long as you act within a reasonable time. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the different places you can check, and the exact steps you need to follow to restore your spreadsheet. First, open your browser and go to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed in to the same Google account where the sheet was originally created. This is important because files are tied to specific accounts. If you're logged into the wrong one, the sheet simply won't appear. Once you're in Google Drive, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Trash or Bin, depending on your region. This is where Google stores deleted files for a limited time before permanently removing them. Inside the trash, you'll see a list of all the files you've deleted recently, including documents, slides, and spreadsheets. Scroll through the list and look for the Google Sheet you want to recover. If you remember part of the file name, you can also use the search bar at the top, and then filter by Trashed Items to narrow down the results. When you find the correct sheet, click on it once to select it. Next, look for the Restore option. On desktop, you can usually right-click the file and choose Restore, or use the Restore icon that appears at the top of the page. Click that, and Google Drive will move the sheet back to its original folder location before it was deleted. After restoring, you can go back to My Drive and open it like normal. If you don't see the sheet in Trash, there are a couple of things to try. Check if the file was shared with you by someone else. In that case, go to the Shared with Me section in Google Drive and see if it's still accessible there. If the owner deleted it, only they can restore it from their trash. Once you've successfully recovered your sheet, consider organizing it into a clearly labeled folder, and avoid using Select All Deletes inside Drive to reduce the chance of accidental removal in the future. That's it for this tutorial. By checking your trash and using the Restore option, you can usually bring back a deleted Google Sheet in just a few clicks.